All right, this is going to be Respect by Aretha Franklin. We're going to start out with this little intro here. We're going to have a C7 chord. We can do all the eights right here with the first finger. Bring in the 9th fret here on the 3rd string. That's a C7. So we're going to go. We've got a little riff here. So that's 8-8 on the 2nd string, and then a 10 with a little bend on it on the 2nd string. So 3, 4. Okay, and then we're going to go down to the 1st fret, do the same thing. So this is a F7. We got all the 1s with a 2 in here. We're going 1, 1, and 3 with a little bend on it. We're going to do the C7 with the riff, then the F7 with the riff, C7 with the riff again, F7 with the riff again, and we're going to be in a G chord to start the verse. So let's take a look at all that. So we got 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's take that a little slower. 2, 3, 4. And okay, we're gonna do a G chord here, G bar chord. We got 5, 4, 3, 3. We're gonna bar those 3s down there. So what's gonna happen here is we're not gonna play the 1, we're gonna play the 2 and the 4. So it's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna jump down to F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you just kind of gotta wait and imagine the band is playing before you are. Or you could kind of go like 1, 2, 3, 4. You could kind of have some percussive scratches kind of going on to give you more of a beat if you want to kind of fill it out. Like if I was going to do that, I would go like 3, 4. So up to you how you want to do that. You could just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But what we're going to do is we're going to have G to F 3 times back and forth. And then we're going to switch to a C chord. So we got these 5s on top, the 3 top strings here. So 3, 4, 1. C to F. And that's the chorus, the respect part. So 2 times of that, and we're back to G for the next verse. 3 times. Going to C. C to F. We got another verse. G. C. C to F twice. Okay, now if you want to spice up that C, you could make it a C7. 5, 3, 5, 3, or 2, 3, 1 open. Or you could go into like the funk chord, 7 chord, 2, 3, 3, 3. So that'd be like, say you're at the end of the verse, 3, 4. A little respect when you come home. Come home. Or you could do this with C7 up here, you know what? So 3, 4, boom. Here we go. When I come home, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. You could also do that one there that we were doing down here. So you could do the C7 and the F7-9, which would be 7 with 8s. Get that one finger to get all those. So that's the more fancy chords you could throw in there, kind of more funky, jazzy chords if you want. So let's go back here. Let's say we're on the 3rd verse again. 3, 4, 1. G to F 3 times. Now I'm going up for that C7 and the F7-9. Okay, and like I say, you could just be doing the C over here and the F over here. But if you want to make them a little fancier, you could do like a C7 to the F7 here too. That'd be 3, 2, and 4. So it'd be 3, 4, 1. Just a little bit. Okay, so a lot of options there for your C to F for your chorus. Now we're going to move into the bridge. We got an F sharp minor, so we got the 2s, and we got a 4 on top here. So we got. So that's like 2 bars of each. Throw a little riff in there if you want. So we got F sharp minor. We're gonna have, it's like 1, 2, and a 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and a 3. Go to B. Back to F sharp minor. And then G. Okay, so you just strum that long. Now if you want to throw a little fill in, so we're gonna take our middle finger, slide into the 7th fret of the G string, and then we're gonna use our ring finger to get the 7 on the smallest string. And then 5-5, and then 4-3. See how that 4-3 comes out of that G chord? That's why it has that resolve sound there. Okay, let's look at that bridge one more time. 3, 4. Going to B. F sharp minor. G. Riff. Okay, then we're into a new verse for G. 3, 4. 3 times back and forth. C. C to F. 2 times. Now we're gonna have stops. We're gonna go C, C, F, F, C, C, F, and then we get into a C to F thing, keeps going. And then we can jam off this 2-chord progression here with our blues scales. Okay, so let's look at those hits again. So we had C by itself, and then C to F, F to C, C to F, and then we carry on with the groove. Okay, so hits 2, 3, 4, C, C, F, 2, 3, 4, F, C, 2, 3, 4, C, F. So one more time with that, a little slower. 2, 3, and C, 2, 3, C, F, 2, 3, F, C, 2, 3, C, F, 2, 3, 4. Now what we can do is we can play this 10th fret up here, 10 or 8 over here. This is the root note though, for your blues scale. Then we have 8, 10 here, 8, 11, 8, 11. And we can jam around over those 2 chords. Try that out. Play some scales like. Can be any notes you want, as fast or slow as you like. Just try to use those same notes. You could also get a couple higher notes up here. Let's try that. 2, 3, and. Alright, so let's take one quick look at that intro again, we'll be done. So this is Respect by Aretha Franklin one more time. We got the C7 chord, 8, 8, 10, and then we got the F7, 1, 1, 3. Alright, Respect, Aretha Franklin. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll talk to you soon.